Hi friends, your friend Glenn. I just done my work. Well, yeah, 30 minutes ago I done my work. And as I expect, raining, but um this region got rainy since last night. So I use both hand in working. So I didn't use umbrella. That's why my hair is messy. Um, and can you hear the rain sound? Quite good. Mm. Uh, the the one thing worry about my health is back pain. Pain on my back is kind of a bad thing in this work. And there's no protection in newbie. There's no newbie protection since 2 weeks ago. I have a 4 or 5 Golden Ramses in my team. They always yell, but I can get it. No offend, not intention to offend the Gordon Ramsay. I like his food. I respect his career and activity. Anyway, but I'm trying to learn better. That is important. Today I learned new things. Unfortunately, I can eat breakfast because I'm the only one who eats breakfast in this team. They are rich, so they don't eat cafeteria meal. I am poor, so I eat cafeteria meal every day. I add one more goal. If I gather money for 3 or 5 years in this factory or another factory, before I go abroad, I wanna spend my time with my mom and my sister. I think it is the last chance to share good feelings with my mom. Mom is old. Actually, don't know about the pass out. If I go abroad for my dream, I don't know when I come back to Korea. So this journey with mom and my sister is kind of very important, and she want journey with the family trip. My mother wants family trip. That is the only wish of her life. I didn't think about her wish because I always said Mom, I don't have money. I I don't have any room for family trip. I'm not familiar with my sister, kind of thing. But yesterday, last night, I suddenly think about, wait, I should take care of my mom first, even if the time will will be short. Family trip will will be meaningful. So I add one more goal for my soul. Family trip with my mom and sister. I feel a little pain, middle pain, big but small pain in my back. But I done my first day of work. Good job, Glenn. And hopefully I have energy to say hi with you. I'm sharing this Korean rainy weather is also meaningful. And today is the first day of March. March 26th is my birthday. There's no meaning. Anyway. Decades ago, our ancestors protest with non-violence. So Mahatma Gandhi impressed about our protests. Well, it became boring and dizzy, and I wanna rest first. So can we talk in dinner before night shift? I had a nice day. Hope you have a nice day. Don't forget who you are. Don't forget your dreams and goals. I am struggling with you, and I am your friend, Glenn. Thank you for watching. See ya in dinner.